Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Andrew Sefrax. Thanks for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed, please check down the subscription box so that you subscribe. You'll be receiving all the notifications whenever I post good videos like this one. So today I want us to know how we can make a certificate using an Android phone. Simply download the application called Certificate Maker, the way you're seeing there on the screen. And after that, this application is available on both for both iPhone and Android. So you can find it on App Store, you can find it on Play Store, and it is free. It is free of charge. It is a free download. So please check the subscription box below and click on subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow, please. Share my video, like my video, and follow up on every step for effective results. So without wasting time, let us go to the video. So let us see how to make a certificate. This certificate I'm going to make just going to be as an example to show you how to make a certificate. And if you want to a task or after teaching them, so how can you make a certificate? So let's jump into the video. So these are just adverts. Remember, to make this you have to have some data, download some materials, and these are just adverts. So just cancel these ones, just cancel these adverts until when we go to just close this one, close to the video. Okay, so let us cancel these adverts. There are many adverts. Sorry for the adverts, but just cancel all the adverts. We don't need them. So we are downloading the assets to use, as I told you. So one is there. This is certificate of excellence. This is certificate award. So you can edit this according to this template they've given you. You can still edit this and change. You see, text is selectable. You can select any text. You either remove it, or you either edit it, or you can add other text. You can change font. You can change color. You can do anything you want. You can add pictures. You can add the pictures. You can move text the way you're seeing now. I'm trying to move this text. You can expand. You can elongate any text. You can do anything you want of your desire. So here you can change the name to the names that you are awarding a certificate. You can do you can see here down. You can there are some fonts. You can change the font, see, from the default one. You can add your signature still. You can do anything that a computer. Remember, to make a certificate, same people use computers, but now I want you guys to start using a smartphone. You know, your smartphone can make everything that a computer can do. If you have a smartphone, still you have a computer at home. So why do you go for computer? Why do you pay money to make for your certificate? And yet you can also make a certificate on your own using your smartphone. Only what you need is the app we are using now. It's called I'll leave the link below in my comment section. You copy the link and download this app. It's called Certificate Maker. So these are just adverts. You don't need them. Cancel the adverts. Tap X. Cancel adverts. Sorry, it's taking so long. Okay, so we are going back. Adverts. There are many adverts on this app, but still just cancel up to when you reach where we want. So we are back on our certificate. This is the certificate. So as you're seeing here, There are some templates, sorry, there are some yes, some stickers, the best award, but still you can download some stickers from the internet and you add on your own stickers according to you yourself. So sorry for that, but just know Android can do anything you want. Thanks for watching. I love you.